My name is Singh and I am going to take an interview of my friend Aman on my project of smart garbage collection tracking. So Aman, can you introduce yourself?
So, hello everyone, my name is Amanraj and I am a student at KL University, Vijayawada campus with computer science branch. So let's start interview.
So Aman, I will ask you three questions. So tell me your suggestions or feedback what you want to give. Okay. So how might we notify resident before the garbage truck arrives?
So how can we notify residents?
Residents, yeah.
So we can just use a notification system if you are app-based system you will provide, or we can use a map navigation system like we can put a GPS on the garbage truck so that when the garbage truck will arrive, we will get a notification.
Okay. How might we encourage resident to use the system regularly?
How can we encourage?
Encourage.
So we can set a price money for that, like the resident who will put all the garbage in the one place or will be the best resident in, we can give money price so that it will encourage other residents also to be a good resident and put all the garbage in the garbage dump. And also we can run various campaigns also to encourage other residents also.
Okay, Aman. How might we guide residents on where to pick up place garbage for combined pickup?
We can just allocate some space in like gully mohallas. As you can observe in our India, there is not much space. Okay, so we can separate slot and allocate space where all the residents will put the garbage, like a big garbage collection, like a big dustbin. So when the garbage truck arrives, it will collect all the garbage from one place. It doesn't have to go all the way to mohallas and gullies.
Okay, Aman. If you want to give any suggestions, more suggestions.
Yeah, I will give, like just like I said earlier, you should have a navigation system in your app or
Yes.
website, GPS tracker on the truck driver, and you can build a inbuilt game like who will like a prize money. Like if a person or a student performs very well, he will receive some prize or money or anything like that. That will encourage other persons or other residents to be a better person. And you can also run campaigns like Swachh Bharat campaigns, okay, which will encourage all the people.
Thanks, Aman. Thank you for your precious time.
Thank you, and I feel very lucky to be with you in this interview.
My pleasure, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So, hello everyone, I am Sarthak Dikshit and I am here with my friend Krishna to take an empathetic interview on my topic Smart Garbage Collection Tracking System. So, I am working on a project about Smart Garbage Collection Tracking System and I want to understand how people like us feel about waste management and what frustrations we face. Just be honest, Krishna, it's casual, not formal. So, Krishna, kindly introduce yourself.
Thank you, Sarthak. Hello, guys. I am Krishna Naria from a student from KL University. I am recently doing BTech in honors in AIDS.
Okay, Krishna, thank you. So, in which language you are comfortable to give the interview?
I will give interview in English only.
Okay, so your first question is, what's your usual routine with garbage disposal at home or at hostel?
Okay, thank you. My answer is at home, parents usually put the garbage out early in morning, but in hostel it's different. We just dump it in the common bin whenever. The problem is sometimes the bin overflow because the collector doesn't come on time. So everyone complains, but no one really knows who to talk to. It feels like we are stuck with the mess until the someone eventually show up.
Okay, Krishna. What's the most annoying part about garbage collection for you?
Okay. Honestly, the unpredictability. Some days the truck comes super early, and if you miss it, your garbage sits there all day. Other times it doesn't come at all. It's frustrating because you can't plan around it. You are just guessing, I guess. And when it's missed, the smell and the flies make it unbearable.
Okay,
If
Krishna. If there was an app or website to track garbage collection, would you use it?
definitely I would make life easier. Imagine getting a notification like truck arriving in 10 minutes or being able to press a button to request a pickup. It would save so much time of me.
Okay, Krishna. So, can you share a story when garbage collection really affected your day?
Yeah, I remember one time during a summer when the garbage truck didn't come for 2 days in a row. By the third day, the smell was unbearable, and the stray dogs had turned open the bags, spreading the waste all over the street. My family had to keep the garbage inside the house, which was really uncomfortable. It even delayed us from inviting a friend over because the place didn't feel clean. The day made the realize how much we depend on regular garbage collection. It is one of the things you don't notice until it fails, and then it completely disrupts your routine.
Okay, thank you, Krishna. If you had one suggestion to improve garbage collection, what would it be?
I would say make it more transparent and interactive. Let residents see the schedule, track the truck, and report it easily. The way everyone feels involved and the system becomes more reliable. It is just about technology. It's about giving people confidence that basic needs being taken care of.
Okay, thank you, Krishna. We are done. You survived the garbage interrogation. Thanks for being real about your trash. Your answers will help me design something that doesn't stink, literally. Thank you.
Thank
So, hello everyone, I'm Soumya Sarthak Dikshit and I am here to take an empathetic interview on my project Smart Garbage Collection Tracking System. And I am with my friend Aditya.
तो हेलो दोस्तों, तो मेरा नाम है आदित्य एंड यहाँ पे जैसे कि सार्थक भाई ने बताया कि मैं डीटीआई के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हूँ उनके, तो शुरू करते हैं।
तो ठीक है आदित्य, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन अ प्रोजेक्ट अबाउट स्मार्ट गार्बेज कलेक्शन ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम। और मैं लोगों से बस ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि वो वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं और क्या क्या फ्रस्ट्रेशंस कभी कभी दिक्कतें उन्हें महसूस होती है। जस्ट बी ऑनेस्ट, इट्स अ कैजुअल इंटरव्यू, नॉट फॉर्मल।
तो
सो
प्रॉब्लम
मैं शुरू करता हूँ।
हाँ, तो ये
व्हाट्स योर यूजुअल रूटीन विद गार्बेज डिस्पोजल एट होम और एट हॉस्टल?
तो मतलब जैसे घर पे तो मतलब पेरेंट्स सुबह सुबह मतलब क्या कूड़ा वगैरह लेके इधर उधर मतलब बाहर रख देते हैं मोस्टली, तो हम लोग तो चाहे रूम पे ही फैला देते हैं। बट हॉस्टल में सीन मतलब थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट रहता ही है। एंड जैसे कि मतलब मालूम ही है कि कभी कभी गार्बेज ओवरफ्लो हो जाता है, कभी इधर उधर रह जाता है एंड कभी कभी टाइम पे ट्रक्स नहीं आते, तो वो सब प्रॉब्लम्स तो रहती ही है।
ठीक है आदित्य।
जी।
तो अगले सवाल पे बढ़ते हैं।
जी।
व्हाट्स द मोस्ट अनोइंग पार्ट, मतलब जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा परेशान करता हो गार्बेज कलेक्शन आपके उसमें?
तो मतलब सबसे परेशान तो मोस्टली यही करता है कि पहली बात तो गार्बेज अगर प्रॉपरली और टाइमली अगर कलेक्ट नहीं किया जाता है तो अ, कभी मच्छर आ जाता है। मतलब जैसे मान लीजिए अगर कोई गीला कचरा है या कुछ भी है तो वहाँ पे मच्छर आते हैं, मक्खियाँ आ जाती है एंड कभी कभी ट्रक अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लेट आ गया तो बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा स्मेल भी हो जाता है। तो वही सब मेन प्रॉब्लम्स फेस होती है।
जी ठीक है आदित्य।
जी।
तो आपका क्या कहना है कि अगर हम एक ऐसा एक ऐप या वेबसाइट बनाए जो गार्बेज कलेक्शन की, मतलब जो गाड़ियाँ रहेंगी उनको ट्रैक कर पाए, कौन गार्बेज लेने आ रहा है, कौन सा बिन भरा है, ये सब बताए, तो उस ऐप को कोई यूज़ करेगा? आप यूज़ करेंगे?
हाँ श्योरली, कि अगर मतलब कोई ऐसी न्यू चीज़ ला रहा है या कोई ऐसा न्यू वेबसाइट या ऐप कुछ भी जैसे आपने बताया कि लेके आ रहा है जो गार्बेज ट्रैक करके प्रॉपर टाइम टू टाइम इधर से उधर गार्बेज को क्या बोलता है फेंक रहा है या मतलब रख रहा है डंप यार्ड में रख रहा है, तो मतलब ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात हो गई। क्योंकि जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि बहुत दिनों तक हमारे गार्बेजेस अगर नहीं हो तो स्मेल होते हैं। अगर ऐसा कोई ऐप रहेगा तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि हाँ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स को भी मालूम पड़ता रहेगा कि इस जगह पे इस टाइम पे गार्बेज लेके जाना है और फेंकना है करके। तो कोई चीज़ कोई घर या कोई भी जगह एरिया मिस नहीं होगा, बहुत क्लीन रहेगा एरिया।
जी आदित्य। तो क्या आप हम लोग के साथ अपनी एक स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहेंगे जिसमें आप मतलब गार्बेज कलेक्शन ने आपके दिन को बहुत ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट किया हो?
ऐसे तो ऐसे हाँ ऐसे है, हुआ है ऐसा एक बार। क्या हुआ था कि मतलब गर्मियों का टाइम था, मतलब छुट्टियों का टाइम था, मैं घर भर गया था। थोड़ी टाइम पहले की बात है अभी। तो सीन ऐसा था कि अ, हम लोग के घर में बर्थडे पार्टी थी भाई की। तो अब भाई की बर्थडे पार्टी मतलब जैसे पता ही है सब सामान वामान आता है खाने पीने का, फिर कूड़ा वगैरह रहता है, बलून्स वगैरह रहते हैं। तो ये सब था और फिर जो भी गीला कचड़ा वगैरह था हम सब ने एक क्या बोलते बैग टाइप में उसमें पैक करके रख दिया था। अब प्रॉब्लम क्या होगी कि वो जो ट्रक रहता है वो आया ही नहीं था। तो अब आया ही नहीं, तो कम से कम शायद 3 दिन हो गए, 4 दिन हो गए, वैसे का वैसे था। अब उसमें क्या हुआ, बिल्ली वगैरह आके मतलब कुत्ते बिल्ली रहते हैं, वो उसको फाड़ फाड़ के मतलब डिस्ट्रॉय कर ही देते हैं ऑलमोस्ट। तो वो बहुत
हाँ।
ज़्यादा मैस एंड स्मेली हो गया था। तो ये ऐसी प्रॉब्लम फेस हुई थी हमको उस टाइम
अच्छा, ठीक है आदित्य।
जी
तो एक आखिरी सवाल आपका, मैं एक सजेशन लेना चाहूँगा कि इस गार्बेज कलेक्शन का जो सिस्टम है मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और इम्प्रूव कर पाऊँ आपके लिए।
तो इम्प्रूव आप इसको ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि मतलब आप जैसे कि आपने ट्रैकिंग तो रखी ही है, ठीक है, तो आप इसको इम्प्रूव ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि टाइम टू टाइम इस पे कुछ अपडेट्स लाते रहिए, इस पे कुछ फीडबैक्स लाते रहिए, मतलब प्रॉपरली। क्योंकि हर चीज़ आप अगर कुछ नया चीज़ बना रहे हैं, कुछ भी इंसान
तो
के लिए
रिव्यूज़
कस्टमली,
लेने चाहिए हमें
हाँ,
ज़्यादा से
रिव्यूज़
ज़्यादा।
वगैरह आपको कलेक्ट करने ही चाहिए, ताकि आप उस ऐप या वेबसाइट को प्रॉपरली क्या बोलते हैं, मैनेज कर पाए।
मैनेज कर पाए। ठीक है
जी
आदित्य जी। थैंक यू आदित्य, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करने के लिए।
जी भाई,
धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू सो मच।
So, hello everyone, I am Swami Sarthak Dikshit and I am here to take an empathetic interview of my friend Aditya on my project Smart Garbage Collection Tracking System. So, I want to understand how people like us feel about waste management and what frustrations they face. Just be honest, Aditya, it's casual and not a formal interview. So, firstly, introduce yourself.
I am Aditya Rathore from Madhya Pradesh, Indore, currently at KL University, Vedaswaram, pursuing my BTech and a first year with a CSE branch.
Okay, Aditya. So, in which language do you prefer to give your interview?
I'll prefer English.
Okay, so let's start. What's your usual routine with garbage disposal at home or at your hostel?
At home, my parents usually put the garbage out early in the morning, but in the hostel, it's different. We just dump in a common bin whenever. The problem is sometimes the bin overflow because the collector doesn't come on time. Then everyone complains, but no one knows really whom to go and talk to. It feels like we are stuck with the mess until someone eventually shows up.
Okay, Aditya. So, what's the most annoying part about garbage collection for you, yourself, or maybe your roommates?
Like someday the truck comes super early and if you miss it, then your garbage is still there for whole day. Other times it doesn't come at all. It's frustrating because you can't plan around it. You are just guessing. And when it missed, the smell and fly smell is unbearable. It feels like such a basic service but unreliable.
Okay, Aditya. If there was an app or website to track garbage collection, would you use it?
Definitely, I think it could make our life easier getting a notification like truck arriving in 10 minutes or being able to press button to request a pickup. It would save our much confusion plus there is a missed pickup. You could report it instantly instead of waiting around. It use it especially if it is simple and work in local language also.
Okay, Aditya. So, what role do you think technology should play in solving civic problems like this?
Technology should make civic service more transparent.
Start.
For garbage collection, an app or website could let residents request pickups, track truck, and report missed collections. For workers, GPS route optimization could save time and fuel. For authorities, dashboard could show performance and complaint in real time. Basically, technology can connect people, residents, workers, and officials, so system runs smoothly.
Okay, Aditya. So, what would make you feel more confident that your garbage will be picked up regularly?
If I could see a schedule or get a notification like truck is arriving in 10 minutes, I'll feel assured that even if there are delay, just know why. Like the truck is broke down would help me right now. It feel like the black box. You put garbage out and hope for the best. A system that give update would make me trust the process more and reduce of stress wondering if it will be collected or not.
Okay, Aditya. So, let's move on to storytelling part. Maybe experience that would give me some suggestions for my system. So, can you share a story when garbage collection really affected your day?
Oh. Like when I'm in class 7, like in my hometown, usually my school timing is 7:30, and most of the time the garbage collection and truck come at the same time. So my parents are there. My mother is making my lunch, and I'll be getting ready for my school. And at that time, sometime the truck came and just passed away, and we didn't know about it. So the whole trace will be still there. And after coming from the home, my mom will be like, "We missed it also today," and it will be stay there for around 2 or 3 days. My father complains so many times, but no one responds. They say we'll be on time from next time, but they never change the timing of the truck because they should also go on another one. They have to go on another routes also. So they say you should be on time or you should miss it, like that. So we have to complain about it, but authority never accept our request. And still right now the timing is same, but my parents make their habit more, and they take their time for all of these things other than my school.
So, Aditya, my last question from you is, if you had one suggestion to improve my garbage collection tracking system, what would it be?
It would be like GPS control route, live location of the truck, where it is right now, and how much time it is going to take to reach our pickup point. And after when we come to know, then it send a notification, and that's it. That's enough for us.
Okay, Aditya, thank you. We are done. Thank you for your precious time. Thank you.
3. Good evening, guys. I'm Akriti Mishra, and today we have Shivani with us, and we are taking another interview. So, Shivani, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, myself Shivani Patil. I'm in second year at KL University CSC department.
Where do you particularly belong from?
I belong from Maharashtra.
Okay. So, how regularly does the waste collection vehicle visit your area?
In my area, the waste collection vehicles oftenly don't visit, like very irregular.
Okay. Have you ever missed giving your waste because you didn't know when the vehicle would arrive?
Yeah, often many times, like there is no proper timing of the waste vehicles to come and they don't have the exact time also.
Okay. What information would you want to see on a vehicle tracking screen? Like notifications, ads, something like that?
On that app.
Yeah.
On the vehicle tracking app, mostly we should get the notifications that at this time the vehicle will come and this time is the way you can put your waste and from your houses to the vehicle.
Do you think a scanning feature to confirm that you have handed over your waste would be useful?
What?
I'll repeat my question. Do you think a scanning feature to confirm that you have handed over your waste to the vehicle would be useful for you or not?
Yeah, it would be very useful because it will keep and record and track for the app also and for me also that the vehicle is coming and taking the waste.
Okay. Would you prefer a QR code scanner or an automatic check-in when the truck reaches?
Automatic check-in because QR scanner every day is a big deal.
Okay. What concern do you have, if or any, about using scanning verification, or do you feel any uncertainty sharing your personal information on that app? Like your details, personal details?
Casual details are enough to share, not so much details which I would like to share on the app.
Okay. How often do you see dirty spots or garbage bumps in your colony?
Mostly there are not.
Okay. Would you be comfortable using the camera feature to click photos and report such areas?
Yeah, I would be very comfortable to report it.
So Shivani, our DTI project NAVEEN BHARAT focuses on improving the waste management system in your residential areas. The app aims to provide a real-time tracking ID for government waste collection vehicle so that the household knows exactly when the truck will arrive or you do not miss the waste pickup. So what do you think about this idea?
Yeah, it's a very good idea and you after developing the app you like put more and more updates and more features so many of will be attracted towards it and it will be very helpful for the Clean India also and Swachh Bharat which we all follow.
Yeah.
So yeah, and all the best for your app.
Thank you, Shivani.
Thank you.
Today we are here with another DTI interview video. Hi Jay, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, myself Jyotsna. and I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
So, Jay, as you said, you are from Andhra Pradesh. How regularly does the waste collection vehicle visit your area?
It's mostly many times because as we are lived in a village.
Okay. So, have you ever missed giving your waste because you didn't know when the vehicle would arrive?
No, probably.
Okay. Do you think a scanning feature to confirm that you have handed over your waste would be useful?
Yes, of course, but I think it will take too much time.
Okay. What languages should the app support for better accessibility in your area?
In my area, it will be Telugu because we are all Telugu people.
Okay. Would you prefer simple icons, voice assistant, or a text-based instruction over that app?
Text-based instruction is we want to read the text, and so I will prefer for voice message.
Okay. What difficulties do you face while using mobile apps in general?
While using mobile, I think network problem mostly in villages.
Do you think this reporting system would actually help keep your area cleaner?
Yes, of course, it will help so much.
So, Jay, our DTI project NAVEEN Bharat focuses on improving the waste management system in your residential areas. It will provide you a real-time tracking ID and the vehicle so that the household know exactly where the truck will arrive and do not miss the waste pickup. And also there will be a QR scanner to verify that you have handed over your waste, and a camera reporting feature that will help you in capturing the highly polluted area in your locality. So what do you think about this idea?
It's so helpful for our Swachh Bharat, and it will help for our future generation to clean and green technology. Yes, it's very good always for your project.
Do you want to give any feedback regarding this topic?
Yeah, but it's very nice.
Okay, Jay, thank you for your insights. Very nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kayuri. Here I am with one of my friends for another video. There is my one DTI project named NAVEEN Bharat. Let her introduce herself.
So hi everyone, my name is Kimi Kumari, and currently I'm pursuing BA IAS in KL University.
So Kimi, where are you from?
So I'm from Odisha.
What's the basic language do you use?
There are many languages, but I speak English and Hindi both.
Okay, which language you are most comfortable with?
I'll go with English.
Okay. So the first question, let us start the interview.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So the first question is, do you prefer simple UI or minimal button for the feature rich?
I guess minimal buttons are really useful and preferable.
Okay. Do you prefer receiving notification like truck arriving in 10 minutes or 15 minutes?
Yeah, that is nice.
Okay. So the next question is, how comfortable are you using QR scanning in a mobile app?
Yeah, it's just easy. You just need to open the app, just scan the things, and you're ready to go.
Yes. The next question is, how does the camera reporting features ensure reliable problem detection?
Yeah, that's really nice, because when you have the proof and everything, it would be easy for you to show the people that how much garbage, how the pollution they are doing.
Okay. The next question is, how does the app support Swachh Bharat or smart cities goals?
I guess it supports both. If you will talk about in the case of the Swachh Bharat, yeah, it is supporting because it is kind of a aware app which is helping people to know about their own surrounding, that how much garbage is there in the surrounding. If you're talking about the smart city, yeah, it is making smart city because you are using an app, you are using an AI. So ultimately it is doing both.
Okay. The next question is, can AI be used to detect garbage areas automatically from the images?
Yeah, it can.
Okay. The last question is, how does real-time tracking of waste collection vehicles improve the current system?
So it's really nice. I really appreciate this method and the things, because if it will show the real time where the vehicle is, the people can just collect all the garbage, just keep in the one place, and when the vehicle will come, they can just throw the garbage.
Okay. The last question is, do you want to add something more for this app or some?
First of all, I want to appreciate your efforts. It's really nice. And the second thing, yeah, I want to add some of the things. Although it is really perfect and really nice, I want to add some method, like more options of languages, because there are many people who doesn't know English. So it would be really nice if you will add more languages like Hindi and more native languages for the people.
So basically you are saying for the selection of language.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is
Keduri. Here I am with one of my friends for the second video, my DTI project, that is NAVEEN Bharat. Let her introduce herself.
Hi, my name is Bhumisha Singh and currently I am pursuing PharmD in KL University.
So Bhumisha, where are you from?
I am from Bihar.
You're from Bihar. What the native language of Bihar is?
Actually, people speak many languages like Bhojpuri and other languages, but I still prefer Hindi.
Okay. So you're most comfortable with English or Hindi?
It's English.
Okay. Let's start our question.
Okay.
For the first question is, do you prefer simple UI or minimal buttons or features-rich UI?
Actually, I prefer minimal buttons. It's easy to use.
The second question is, how comfortable you're using for the QR scanning in your mobile app?
Actually, it's very comfortable and very easy to use. Like we just have to scan it.
Okay. Do you prefer receiving notification like truck arriving in 10 minutes or 15 minutes?
Yeah, I prefer, like it would be so much easy that we don't have to wait like when vehicle will come. We just have to see the notification and go and throw up a garbage.
Can AI be used to detect garbage areas automatically from the images?
Yes, it can.
Okay. Thank you, Bhumi.
Thank
so
you.
you want to add something for this app or some features for this?
Actually, I don't want to add anything. It's already so much perfect for the peoples, and I would like to say that you should make more and more app like this. Like it's very comfortable and very useful app for the governments and surroundings. Like it will clean our city perfectly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello,
Hi.
I'm Shambhavi. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Arpita. I'm currently studying in KL University, pursuing a BTech.
Okay. I'm actually working on a project about smart garbage collection tracking, and I want to understand how people like us feel about waste management and what frustrations we face. Just be honest, it's casual, not formal. Okay.
Okay.
So let's start.
Okay.
If you had one suggestion to improve garbage collection, what would it be?
I would say to make it more transparent and interactive. Let residents see the schedule, track the truck, and report issue easily. That a way everyone feel involved and the systems become more reliable. And it's not just about a technology. It's about giving people confidence that their basic needs are being taken into consideration and care of. So if people feel heard, they will trust the system more and even cooperate better.
Okay. Can you share a story where garbage collection really affected your day?
Yeah, like I remember one of the time during the summer vacations when the garbage truck didn't came for 2 days in a row. By the third day, the smell was so unbearable, and the stray dogs had torn open the bags, spreading waste all over the streets. My family had to keep the garbage inside the house, which was really uncomfortable. So it even delays us from inviting one of our friend over because the place didn't feel clean. That day made me realize how important is to clean the garbage regularly. It's one of the things you don't notice until it fails, and that it completely disrupts your routine.
Okay. So, how do you think garbage collection impacts public health in your area?
So I think it is a huge impact. When garbage isn't collected properly, it attracts the flies, mosquitoes, and rats, which can spread the diseases. In my area, people often complain about dengue and other infections during the rainy season, and a lot of it's linked to a poor wastage management. Even the smell makes the environment unhealthy and stressful. On the other hand, when the garbage is collected regularly, the streets looks cleaner and people feel safer. So it's not just about the hygiene, it's directly affect the health of the overall quality of our life.
Okay. So, would you be willing to pay a small fee for a more reliable service?
Honestly, yes. If I knew that by paying a small monthly fee, I would get guaranteed pickups, notification, and a cleaner environment, so I will be okay with it. Right now, we pay indirectly through the taxes, but the service isn't always reliable, as we can see. If a small fee could make the system more efficient and transparent, I think most people would agree on it, especially if they see the benefits directly.
Okay. Do you think students and young people care enough about waste management?
Okay, I think students care, but maybe not as much as they should. Most of us notice when garbage piles up, but we don't always connect to it bigger issues like public health or sustainability. Young people are more focused on studies, on their career, and the social media life. So waste management feels like someone else's responsibility to us. But when we talk about a climate change, pollution, or a smart cities, waste management was linked to a technology or activism. More young people would care and even involved.
Okay, so let's wrap it up. Um, uh, so I would like to ask about if you had one suggestion to improve garbage collection, what would it be?
So I would say that I would recommend like we should make some apps, a more efficient system, or something that we can help to manage these garbages because these garbages can actually affect our health and it will be very uh, impact like give impact to our life. So we should have a control on our garbage system. That will be very helpful.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and your opinions. It was actually super useful for me. You have helped me turn garbage into gold, at least in terms of insights for my project. It's funny how something as small as missed pickups can affect our daily life so much. So thank you again. Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Hi, this is Hansini here with my sister Navya Didi. We are here to discuss about smart garbage system collection tracking. I want to understand how people like us feel about waste management. So I would like to ask you some questions. My first question is, what's the most frustrating thing about garbage collection in your area?
Mm. I think it's unpredictability. Like we know during weekends, garbage collector comes and take our garbage, but sometimes due to traffic or some other reasons involved, it doesn't come on time, and like our weekend plans get disrupted. I think that's one of the point I would like to mention.
Okay. What would you make you feel more confident that your garbage will be picked up regularly?
If there is a system that always reminds and always give uh, the planning when the garbage collector is coming and when it's gonna be picked up, I think that would be better.
Okay. If you had one suggestion to improve the garbage collection, what would it be?
Mm, same. I think it would be better if we have an interactive platform where I would know that when the garbage collector is coming so that I can plan my day accordingly. That would be great.
Can you share a story when a garbage collection really affected your day?
I think I have a story. During last visit to my home, during weekends, I had a plan to go out with my friends, and that was because it was a weekend. The garbage collector due was that day only, but I think but because it was late, my plans got disrupted. I went late and I can't leave it outside my house because neighbors and the neighborhood will get disturbed. So it was late, and my later on my plans also got disrupted. I think that day didn't went well, so yeah.
Okay. If there was a simple app or a website to request pickup or a track status, would you use it?
Yeah, I think that's a great initiative to take. I would definitely use it.
Thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Akriti Mishra, and today we have Aryan Singh with us. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi guys, I'm Aryan Singh, currently studying Kale University, BTech CSE. So, hi Akriti.
Hi, Aryan. So we are here to take Aryan's interview regarding our DTI topic, which is Naveen Bharat.
So basically, in this topic, we would ask Aryan few questions about those safety measures or cleanliness measures. So let's start. So, where are you from?
My native place is Bihar, but I live at many states. Means my residence always changing.
So, alright. Where are you basically living right now?
Right now, my family at Bangalore, so Bangalore.
So, is there any cleanliness measure kind of thing in your society or your colony, something like that?
Like I'm living in army quarters, so on daily basis the municipal corporation vehicle came and collect the waste from us, and sometimes they miss out also.
So how do you get to know that they have reached at your place?
They start playing some song, Gaadi Wala Aaya Ghar Se Kachra.
So then how do you has that ever happened that you missed that vehicle and that all those waste of your house remained at your native place only?
Couple of time I missed the vehicle because of some hectic schedule, and sometimes we go on family functions. That's why the miss out the things.
So what do you do when you miss that particular vehicle, municipality?
We have to throw at a certain place. That mountain of waste is at that place. We go and throw the waste.
That large bin, yeah. So this is for what our app generally is. So to ignore all little waste at a different part of the place, to ignore all that thing, we are generating an app. So in that app, there will be an alarm and a tracking route kind of thing. From that, you will get to know that particular garbage vehicle has been reached to your gate, and then you will get to know, and then you will go out and whatever you do your business. And there will be an camera thing with, if you have seen some large dust or dustbin, some large area where is lots of dust are there. So you'll click one photo of that particular thing, and then you'll place it on that app. So the government municipality thing that they will come and then clean all that. So what do you think about this idea?
Overall, your ideas are so good, okay? But just I got to know, what if I take the picture and upload on the app, and if they didn't take any action regarding this?
No, there will be some action team over there to work upon that camera thing. They will be 24/7 active for that cleanliness camera thing. So there's not more chances of that thing.
Okay, overall your project is so good, okay? Just I want to know if at my home there is no any person, then how it is going to collect the waste?
See, for keeping your waste at that right place, you have to be there. We don't have any robotic kind of thing that will go inside your house and take.
Not inside, just I put my waste beside my home and outside.
Yeah, if you put it out near your gate, the main gate, they will pick it up by themselves.
Okay. Means I got the notification that the
they
vehicle
have that your dust has been received by them.
Received by them, and the vehicle is approaching towards my home to collect the waste and whatever the. Okay, it's a wonderful project.
So you want to add something in that app?
I just want to add maintain the consistency on daily basis. It's come daily and collect the waste. It's good for society and clean India.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful speaking to you.
Okay. Thank you for insight.
Hi, this is Hansini with Khushi Didi. We are here to discuss about smart garbage collection system tracking. I want you to understand how people feel about waste management systems. So I would like to ask you some questions.
Yeah, sure, go for it.
What's the most frustrating thing about garbage collection system in your area?
See, the place where I live, the people are literate. Still, they used to throw their biodegradable waste in footpath or the main road where people do walk and use the public transport. So I would say that throwing their waste in main area is the most irritating thing. We can't do our work and our daily things.
Okay. What would make you feel more confident that your garbage will be picked up regularly?
So for me, I guess if there would be someone who would notify me, the garbage picker are coming regularly, so it would be better.
Okay. Can you share a story when garbage collection really affected your day?
Yeah, so one of the major fact that affected me is my neighbor, she's having a small baby. So she just threw her waste diaper on the road that is literally in front of my house. And yeah, it's affecting the environment. Whenever I used to go outside, the smell that even we can say insects and
Even that baby.
insects and like very unhygienic they used to keep. So it would be better if I get the notification, yeah, people are coming and taking waste material. So that's
If you had one suggestion to improve garbage collection, what would it be?
a system which would provide me the timings that yeah, garbage collector are coming regularly and they are cleaning. Major thing is whether they are cleaning or not. Coming is one thing, but after coming also whether they are cleaning or not, we need to see that also.
Okay. If there was a simple app or a website to request pickup or track status, would you use it?
Yeah, that would be really beneficial for us, for the whole society. Not only environment, but yeah, our health also will be better living in a hygienic area.
Okay. Thank you so much. Hi, this is Hansini with my sister Khushbu Didi. We are here to discuss about the waste management systems and tracking systems. So, I will ask you some questions.
Okay.
My first question is, what's the most frustrating thing about garbage collection in your area?
The unpredictability. Some days the truck comes early, some days late, and sometimes not at all. You're left guessing. I have had it many times when I put the garbage out in the morning and by evening it's still there. Then you wonder, should I bring it back inside or leave it out? It feels like such a small thing, but it affects your daily routine. And honestly, it makes me feel like residents don't have any control over the process.
Okay, then what would make you feel more confident about that your garbage will be picked up regularly?
I think transparency, if I could see a schedule or get a notification like truck arriving in 10 minutes, I'd feel reassured. Even if there's a delay, just knowing why, like if the truck broke down would help. Right now, it feels like a black box. You put garbage out and hope for the best. A system that gives updates would make me trust the process more.
Can you share a story when garbage collection really affects your day? Any answers on it?
Yeah, I remember one time during the summer when the garbage truck didn't come for 2 days in a row. By the third day, the smell was unbearable, and the stray dogs had torn open the bags, spreading waste all over the street. My family had to keep the garbage inside the house, which was really uncomfortable. It even delayed us from inviting a friend over because the place didn't feel clean. That day made me realize how much we depend on regular garbage collection. It's one of those things you don't notice until it fails, and then it completely disrupts your routine.
Okay. If you had one suggestion to improve garbage collection, what would it be? If you had one suggestion to improve garbage collection, what would it be?
I'd say make it more transparent and interactive. Let's say residents see the schedule. Residents see the schedule, track the truck, and report issues easily. That way, everyone feels involved, and the system becomes more reliable. It's not just about technology; it's about giving people confidence that the basic needs are being taken care of. If people feel heard, they'll trust the system more and even cooperate better.
Okay, thank you so much. We had a great time.
I am Satyam, working on a project about a smart garbage collection tracking.
Okay.
I want to understand how people like to feel about waste management and what frustration we face. Just be honest, it is casual, not formal. Hey, thanks for sitting down with me. Do not worry, this is not an exam. You won't be graduate on your garbage habit. I am working on a project about smart garbage collection. I want to hear your real life experience about it.
First of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Manjit Sharma. And as far as you concerned about the garbage, some people ignore and some people are really concerned about. There is a two scenario of this. Mostly people ignore about garbage, they throw like anywhere and they didn't care. And the people who actually concerned about the garbage and really they think about what we do to reduce that they actually get like they affected by the people who don't get concerned about. So most people don't take garbage waste management seriously, and some people just use simple dustbin and mostly people throw anywhere and anything like and for me like for if I tell you about myself, like I also don't take garbage waste management at like that at that much level, but yeah, like I mostly I use prefer dustbin like to throw any wrappers or anything.
If I create a simple app or website to request pickup track station, would you like to use?
Definitely, like it will be like I will be so grateful to like if you create a app and like and then people will like really get benefited from that app. I will definitely use, and why should I only I like most people will definitely use that app.
Would you like to make me more confident that your garbage will be picked up regularly if I create app or website for daily purpose? If you have any problem in society or anywhere garbage is dumped, you should take click photo and post on that. The solution will be in 1 hour, 1 day or 2 3 days.
Yes, like definitely, it will be like great, like it will a great like solution for this. Like if simply I will click picture and post it and that on that app and if that app will tell like where should I bump this garbage in a particular area and what should I do to reduce that particular size of garbage. So like it will be most useful for especially for the people who are actually concerned about the waste garbage waste management, and they are actually like they really like hygiene place, etc. and etc.
And in that there will be many function when the garbage vehicle will come, the live location tracking.
Yes, like it will be a
You can see from home where the vehicle is coming, time schedule, everything.
Okay. So like that's a great innovative, like if people can see that where the particular vehicle is, like so like they can collect the garbage, and it will also this will also like save the most of the time for the people who are coming for collect the garbage and people who are actually giving the garbage. They can just pack the garbage and unnecessary thing in a wrapper or in a box, and they just leave at their doorstep, and the car from their doorstep can collect it according to their like sufficient time, so that like it will be a most grateful.
Okay, thank you for sitting with me and talking about garbage. Would you like to give me any suggestion that what should I add more things in that?
Yeah, like I can give you that like a proper like GPS system should be strong, and like you should you should take a time that where most of the people are free like most of the people like are going to the office and going to somewhere else, and they just forget they just forget to give their garbage of their home and leave at their doorstep. Or you can also add one reminder in your app or a website that in once in a week they will it will remind the people about their garbage, like now if they have the garbage they can they can leave it at your doorstep, and from there your car or anything will be there.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, I am Satyam, working on about smart garbage collection. I want to understand how people feel about waste management and what frustration we face in daily life. Just be honest, it is casual, not formal. Hey, thanks for sitting down with me. Can you introduce yourself?
So my name is Pravsina. I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and currently I'm in AIDS branch first year BTech program.
Do not worry, this is not an exam. You won't be graded on your garbage habit. I am working on a project about smart garbage collection, and I want to hear your real life experience.
So basically, waste management is a process of dumping garbage in a proper way where it does not affect the environment and also does not pollute the environment. But people do not take that seriously and dump garbages here and there in like where the societies are. They'll dump near that or dump in places where people live, like in small towns or villages. These are mostly common, so it pollutes the environment and affects our health, and yeah, it's very dangerous for us.
And what is your usual routine with garbage disposal at home or hostel?
At home and hostel, it's basically simple because the garbage man or garbage woman comes and we just dispose our garbages to them, and after that the process of disposal of that's in their hands. And yeah.
If there was an app or website to track garbage collection, would you use it?
Yeah, for sure, that would help me, and in the and it will also contribute to the environment as well.
How important is cleanliness in your neighborhood or society or the hostel that you live?
It's actually very important because a clean environment and clean surroundings does not make the environment just better, it also makes your health better, it also makes the oxygen better in the environment, and also makes the air more fresh, which in turn benefits in ways you cannot even think of.
If you had one suggestion to improve garbage collection, what would it be?
Can you repeat the question?
If you had one important suggestion for garbage collection, what would it be?
I think it would be beneficial for people, like it would be beneficial to spread awareness first about disposing garbages in biodegradable, non-biodegradable stuff, because there are dustbins around which are non-biodegradable and biodegradable, but people don't understand the meaning of that. Firstly, we should spread awareness about that, and then people would take that into concern and understand about that, and that would help in collecting waste more effectively.
Thanks for sharing your thoughts. Help me design a system that actually works for people like us. If you had any suggestion to improve garbage collection, what would be about web design, web page, or some app that we create for daily purpose that you can click the photos of the road area where garbage is deposed, or someone throwing repeatedly daily in the morning, evening. So there will be live tracking of GPS when the garbage vehicle come. You will track that. What will be your suggestion about that?
I think my suggestion would be an application because it's more effective and it's more easy to use. A website would be great option and easy, but an application would be simpler because you can just open it and use it. And website would be difficult to use. Just we have to click on the link every time, and it's more effective there.
Would you like to suggest something that needs to be added in that application?
Yeah, I would like you all to add like the photos and videographs of people dumping here and there would be there, but it would be more effective if you add, like the previously I said, awareness about stuff like what is biodegradable, what are the do's and don'ts, and how should we what are responsibilities in having a proper waste management in our society and area. And people usually take it very lightly, like if nobody is doing it, then why should we do it? We should remove that. And yeah, that's my suggestion.
Thanks for sharing your suggestion, and it was actually super. And I will think forward about that garbage app, and it will be very useful. Thank you. Hey, I am Satyam, working on project about smart garbage collection tracking. I want to understand how people feel about waste management and what frustration we face. Just be honest, it is casual, not formal. Hey, thanks for sitting down with me.
Hello.
Can you introduce yourself?
So I am Rohit, a student.
Don't worry, this is not exam. You won't be graded on your garbage habit. I am working on a project about smart garbage collection.
Nice.
And I want to hear your real life experience.
So you need to asking that share my experience about garbage, right? Okay.
Share some experience that you face in daily life in hostel or home, that they come or not, whatever you want. Then
Yeah.
After that, I will ask some question.
So the unpredictability some days, right? The truck comes early, some days late, sometimes not at all. Like you are left guessing, right? So I had times that I put the garbage out in the morning, and by evening, like it's still there. So then you wonder, should I bring it back?
There is many problems smelling.
Like inside or leave it there. You don't know, right? So it feels like such a small thing, right? But it affects you daily routine, your daily routine. And honestly, like it makes me feel like residents don't have any control over the process.
What is the most frustrating thing about garbage collection in your area?
Honestly, the unpredictability some days, like the trucks comes super fast or you miss it. So you can't.
You are not able to notice time and regular update when it comes.
So it comes early, sometimes it comes late. You don't know the time when it comes, right? Your garbage still there all day if it comes late. So other times it doesn't come. It's frustrating because see, you can't plan around it, right? You just guessing. So and when it missed the smell, and it feels uncomfortable, right? It's unbearable. It feels like such a basic
Mosquitoes,
service.
houseflies.
Such a basic service is unreliable.
If there was an app or website to track garbage collection, would you like to use it?
Yeah, definitely. I think it would be a better option. It makes life easier. Like, imagine getting a notification like truck arriving in 10 minutes or like something about the truck, right? So it feels better. It's being able to like press a button to request a pickup. So it would say much confusion, right? Plus, if there is a missed pickup, like you can recall it or report it instead of waiting around. I would use it, right? Definitely use it.
Thanks for sharing. Your thoughts help me design a system that actually works for people like us. If you had any one suggestion to improve garbage collection, what would it be on a website or that application we are going to make? Any
Like
suggestions,
right?
Yeah.
So I would suggest it. So make it better, like it can reach for every person. So the UI should not be more complex.
It should be easy that every person can access.
Like there are some people who doesn't know about
Yeah.
applications and websites, right? So if the UI is smooth and better, so it could be easy to them to access.
Yes.
And like
we are trying on that to make it easy, and there will be many functions that you can click picture of your deposed garbage and you can post on that, then you will come and pick up it.
it's a great idea, Satyam.
And there will be live location tracking of garbage vehicles when it is arriving and where it is now. That will be more beneficial. What is your suggestion about that?
Yeah, it's a good idea, right? I will definitely suggest it to add because there are important features which users need, right? So users basically need the collection of features. If there are more features, they can feel better to use it and it's more reliable.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Satyam.
Hello everyone, my name is Jayavardhan Singh. Today I am going to take the interview of my friend Ayush Raj on our project of garbage tracking. So his mother tongue is Hindi, so our medium of interview will be Hindi. So Ayush, how are you? आप कैसे?
I'm fine. And
So,
how and what's about you?
I am also good. मैं आपसे 3 प्रश्न पूछूंगा, आपको उनके उत्तर देने हैं.
जी जरूर.
मेरा पहला प्रश्न यह है कि कचड़े गाड़ी लोगों को कैसे पता चलेगी कचड़े की गाड़ी उनके घर पे पहुंचने वाली है?
So basically मैं कुछ साल पहले जेई का तैयारी प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था, तो मैं कोटा में था. तो वहाँ पे क्या होता था कि हर सुबह 8 से 9 के बीच एक गाड़ी आती थी जो वेट कचड़ा और सूखा कचड़ा को लेने आती थी, और उसमें एक म्यूज़िक लगा रहता था. और कोटा में आप जानते हो ट्रैफिक फ्री सिटी है, तो वहाँ पे ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं होता है. और वहाँ पे जो गाड़ी आती है उसमें जो म्यूज़िक होता है उसके कारण सारे लोग उससे वाकिफ़ हैं, वो साउंड से. तो जब भी वो गाड़ी आता था तो सारे लोग कचरा लेकर अपने बालकनी में या फिर कहीं भी चले जाते थे जिससे कचरा वो दे सकें. और हमारे यहाँ ये होता था या तो हम कचरा दे दें या फिर हमारा वार्डन आकर सबसे कचरा कलेक्ट कर लेता था एक डब्बा में और वो ले जाकर फेंक देता था. तो द बेस्ट वे लाइक म्यूज़िक हम उसमें डाल सकते हैं जिससे सब पता चल सके.
ओके, ठीक है आयुष. मेरा दूसरा प्रश्न आपसे यह है कि हम लोगों को कैसे प्रोत्साहित कर सकते हैं कि ये हमारा सिस्टम जो ऐप है हमने बना रहे हैं उसको यूज़ करें?
सो आप लोग को उसमें जैसे क्या होता है कि आप जो अपना ऐप बना रहे हैं जिससे आप आदमी को प्रोत्साहित कर रहे हैं कि वो अपना कचरा समय पे फेंके. तो उसमें आप सबको ऐसे जैसे आप भी कचरा कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है आप कहीं ना डंपिंग यार्ड में ले जाकर डाल रहे हैं जहाँ रिसाइकल हो रहा है और आपको भी प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, या फिर जहाँ से प्रॉफिट हो रहा है आप कचरा कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. तो उसमें आप अगर यूज़र को कुछ पार्ट ऑफ आवर इनकम, आपका जो भी इनकम हो रहा है उस कुछ पार्ट को आप अगर उनमें शेयर करेंगे या फिर किसी को कुछ पैसा अमाउंट पे करेंगे लकी ड्रॉ की तरह, तो वो उन लोग के लिए ज़्यादा प्रोत्साहित होगा और वो लोग ऐसे देंगे जल्दी कचरा.
ठीक है. मेरा तीसरा प्रश्न आपसे यह है कि हम जो लोग रहने वाले लोगों को कैसे उन्हें बताएं कि उन्हें कचरा कहाँ रखना चाहिए कि कचरे की गाड़ी जब आए तो उसे आपका कचरा ले जाने में दिक्कत ना आए.
सो मैंने आपको बताया कि मैं कोटा में रहता था, तो कोटा में ऐसा रहता था तो वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं, हम अपने रूम में ही रखते थे. लेकिन जो आप बात कर रहे हैं बाहर, जैसे हम अपने होम टाउन में रहते हैं, तो वहाँ पे मेरे यहाँ तो फिलहाल वहाँ पे हर एक गली के बाहर एक बड़ा सा डंपिंग यार्ड होता है जिसमें एक वेट कचरा के लिए अलग एरिया ब्लू कलर का और ड्राई के लिए अलग ग्रीन कलर का रहता था बॉक्स. तो उसमें ये होता था कि हम जनरली हर सुबह में अगर हमारे घर में कचरा होता था तो हम ले जाकर वहाँ पे डंप कर देते थे। और वहाँ पे डेली सुबह में एक गाड़ी आता था, जैसे आप जानते हैं हर एक एरिया में नगर निगम में गाड़ी होता है, हमारे यहाँ तो था। तो वहाँ पे आता था गाड़ी और बस कलेक्ट करके सब लेकर चला जाता था। तो बस बेसिकली हम जाके डंपिंग यार्ड में डाल सकते हैं। हर एक लोकल्स, हर एक गली मोहल्ला में एक डंपिंग यार्ड होना चाहिए।
ओके आयुष, धन्यवाद, आपने अपना बहुत ही बहुमूल्य समय हमें प्रदान किया, धन्यवाद।